Hey there, I'm super excited to share this presentation with you as I feel like it'll give you a better insight as to who I am. As a communication studies major and a women's studies minor, speaking effectively on issues important to me is on the top of the list of things that I want to accomplish with my degree. Because of this, I'm excited to talk to you today about an activist that I feel has a professional online ethos. Let me introduce to you Kristen Cherico. She has a bachelor's in theater arts and creative communication. She's a senior editor at BuzzFeed and a founding member of BuzzFeed's Ladylike Show, a show for women by women. Today, I want to analyze Kristen's online ethos by looking at her Instagram, Twitter, and BuzzFeed articles. I want to start by looking at Kristen's Instagram first, but more specifically, I want to look at this picture in particular. A lot of Kristen's work focuses on body positivity, and through her social media, she creates ethos for herself that gives her credibility to talk about the issue. First and foremost, we can quite literally see that Kristen is a plus-size girl in the standards of today's fashion. Instead of just saying this, she's showing us in this picture that she is plus-size and that she is fashionable. Pullman stated a well-designed screen uses the least amount of words necessary to get your point across. Kristen's hashtag in the outlined box on the screen quite literally does this. It says hashtag plus fashion, which is the root of her activism, that plus size and fashion should be words that are talked about together and not separately. She wants to empower women of all sizes, and this picture does a great job in showing them that she has the ability to do so. Next, I want to look at a tweet that Kristen has recently sent out. In this tweet, we see that Kristen is taking her own advice. I'm diversifying my media diet, she says. In a body positivity, we look at this in a way of we want to clear out what we don't want to see in the negative messages on media. We do this by purging our followers and then diversifying the feeds and the people that we are seeing on our account. This helps to build us up instead of break us down. This shows that Kristen, in fact, does what she teaches, which gives her more ethos on the topic. Last, I want to look at a few articles Kristen has written at her time at BuzzFeed. We broke fashion rules for plus-size women for a week. Say yes to crop tops. And one of my favorites, I wore sheer clothes as a plus-size woman and you should too. Sun's out, tums out. Kristen maintains her ethos in the plus-size community and body-positive activism by remaining current with fashion and showing her followers that you can be fashionable and you can love yourself at the size you are and the way you are. In conclusion, Kristen's social presence in activism for body positivity and plus-size fashion helps develop her ethos by sharing her photos, tweeting out, and just showing her followers that, again, being plus-size and being fashionable are words that should be together, and it shouldn't be something that's oxymoronic and that we never talk about. She brings light to it, she talks about it, and all of that helps to develop her ethos.